Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at Productronica 2025 and I am on the Koh Young booth with Michael Zahn, who is now Chief Sales Officer, Chief Revenue Officer.
Yes, Phil. Nice to see you. Nice having me.
Thank you. Absolute pleasure to chat. I just wanted to talk a little bit about how the new organizational structure works. You've been with the organization a while. You've always been kind of leading the sales push, but that's been kind of elevated to more of a leadership role.
Yeah, well, bear in mind our current, or the old CEO went into retirement.
Yeah.
Harold is still with us a little bit as a consultant, but at one point he has to retire.
Yeah,
and then we were thinking about how we continue from there to get us to the next level and not standing still with the same kind of stuff, just get on the next level to make sure that we grow.
Yeah.
This is most important, to grow as well. And therefore we said, and we were talking about, I was talking to Solin, how we should do it, how we can do it.
Yeah.
There was already the idea, maybe setting only one into the place, but we said no, we do it together.
Together, yeah.
Because the problem is always how much burden you have on your shoulders. Because it's when you do it alone, you have to do everything and you have to be present all the time. You have to have knowledge on all stages. My background is more the sales part, of course, a lot of technical.
Yeah, of course.
And Solin is doing a lot of operations since then, and therefore we said, let's keep our strengths together and let's work on it and use both strengths to get better as a company.
Yeah.
And so there we made the offer to our management in Korea and said, hey, we have an idea. We do it this way. We are together. We do it as a double one, or as a team, as twins, or whatever you call it. But on this side, they said, let's try it out. It sounds interesting because we can also use her strengths in terms of she's younger than me. I can be the calm person and help her. And she
can be the energetic.
Energetic and doing
absolutely.
more. So therefore, we decided to do it this way. So I'm taking care about the sales as well as the service side, everything what is customer related, and she's taking care of all the internal things like operations, all the storage. We have a lot of machines to handle between Korea and here. So therefore, this is how we have to set up, and I guess this is a good way forward because it gives a balance.
Yeah,
it's
it
not
gives
only
yin and yang,
one kind.
It's a nice partnership.
It's not the one kind of I'm here the boss and I have to say no. We have We have always. Let's say we have also a debate and talking about how shall we do this, how should we do that.
Yeah.
But we always find a consensus.
Yeah, you always find an agreement, and I think that works. And I think, like you say, you have those very specific talents. You have the huge breadth of experience, and you have that technical knowledge. You've met and you know most of the customers for a long time. So that's really valuable. You have that voice of customer aspect, and as you say, Solin brings that very young energy. She brings that operational expertise that has been learned over years. She's been shadowing Harold for some time, so she knows what's going on. So it's a really nice combination. It comes at a time when the market's kind of a little bit bumpy at the moment, particularly here in Germany.
No question.
But I think it feels like this week there have been some good discussions, and I do see people investing when the investment's right. They're looking for automation, they're looking for solutions, they're looking for stuff that adds value to their business.
Of course, and I have to say I'm also I expected this a little bit, but I'm surprised of the exceed of it, because the most interesting phrase I heard this morning from one of the other guys here, they're exhibiting, he said, it looks like we are in before COVID times.
Okay, yeah.
Remember, before COVID, it was always crowded, a lot of people, a lot of projects around, and he said, it feels like that.
It feels like that again, that's
and
good.
I have to say, yes, we had a very great 2.5 days already, and many customers, also many new customers, different points, and interesting enough, most in discussions, 99% I would say, having substance. Means customers having projects, want to invest, looking for solutions, and on the other side, we deliver a lot of solutions.
Absolutely.
Well, you saw it already.
And contingents from everywhere. Contingents from the UK, Eastern Europe,
everywhere.
Germany,
even
France,
Germany. The sentiment, the business sentiment is we're getting better. It gets more. We have more requirements from customers. We have to deliver more. So therefore, it looks like that the
green shoots are there.
it moves into the right direction. How quick it is, I cannot predict, but it is very good feedback and a very good work right now, and the energetic in the whole industry. You can feel here the show is so busy.
Yeah, absolutely. And you're in that nice position of being the market leader. So when the market does pick up, you're going to pick up.
Yes.
You're going to pick up first. You also have new solutions. There's a lot of talk about automation and development, and you're solving some of that as well.
Bear in mind, this kind of dip in the industry is also a chance to improve, chance to do different things. This is also our approach with the double head, doing things differently, doing things smarter than harder, and then we already see the fruits and the hard work is start to paying back.
Yeah, and it's thinking about operational excellence. It's thinking about those benefits that you can get without increasing capacity, increasing capability. Michael, it's always a pleasure to chat. Enjoy the rest of the show, what there is left, and we'll talk again soon.
Looking forward to see you soon. Bye for now.